Hello and welcome to this video. I want to show us how to get Udemy paid course for free but in a legal way. So the first thing you need to do is check the description below and join this Telegram group, or type Udemy coupons on Telegram and join this group. When you join the group, you go to the recent courses. So this is the recent one for now. You have to go up, look for the course of interest. Example, master course, advertising strategy 2.0, Python and Django. If you're interested in any of them, you come back to this place and click enroll, then click open. Then you accept the privacy policy, then scroll down to where you will see get Udemy course. Go down to where you see this, click on it. Then you will see your coupons will be created in some seconds. So after that, click on generate coupon, and you will see get course. Click on it. So I have an account with Udemy before. If you don't have an account, you'll be prompted to log in with your social media accounts such as Gmail, Facebook, and the rest of them. So I'm going to log in now. Continue with Google. So I want to sign in with my email. So I'm going to click on continue. And I go down and I say continue. So when I come back, I have to click on get on Udemy. So now that I've logged in, I'll wait for the coupon to be generated. It takes about 10 seconds. And I click on generate coupon. And this is please wait, then get course. And this is the course on Udemy. And you can see here, it says it's free. So I'm going to click on enroll now. Total is 0. So I click on enroll now. And it was successful. So I'm going to click on start course. And this is the course. Coming to the right here, this is the content. And I have section 1 to 9 sections. So I could repeat this process over and over again. So let's go back to Telegram. I keep looking for another course I want to enroll. Look at this, Master Cyber Security from Beginning to Real World Hacker. If you want this course, go to enroll, click on open. When this page opens, you need to go down towards the end of the page until you see get on Udemy. I click on that. And at the end, he said generate coupon. Click on that. Click on get course. and here is the course. Here it says buy and it's not free. So let's go back and check what happened there on Telegram. So look at what it says. It said 500 enrolls left and 406 persons have seen this course. So there's still supposed to be space for enrollment, but it says it cannot be enrolled. What you have to do is that you have to be on time. Be among the first people to register for the course so that you don't get such message. You have to always try to be on time, or you wait for another day. And look at this Python complete course. Let's see if it's available. So I click on enroll now, open, then I go down to the end of the page, click on get on Udemy, and the coupon is about to be created. So I click on generate coupon. This is please wait. I click on get course, and it says you've purchased this course, and it gave me the date. So I've enrolled for this course before for free. So that means I have this course already. So I can click on go to course, and here is the course. I can begin to
getting started with Anaconda
and continue learning the course. So the first is Udemy coupons. This one is Udemy free coupons. And if I scroll down, this is the last post made today. So I can always start from the most recent. And this one is available to 991 persons. So let me go up and see if I can find cybersecurity course here, or any other course I will want to learn. Let's say I want to learn how to run Facebook adverts. I can go for this course, and only 400 have seen this course. So the probability of me enrolling in this course is high. But let's check. So I click on enroll now, open. I'm going to wait for the coupon to be created. Click on generate coupon, get course, and here your link is almost ready. It will be ready in some seconds. And look at get link. So I click on that. Then here I will click on close, or sometimes it could have a close icon here. So I click on close, and here is the Facebook ad course. And if you check this place, it says free. So I can enroll for this course by clicking on enroll now. And again, I click on enroll. And as you can see your progress, start course. If I click on that, that is the course. It's made up of 6 sections. And one thing about these courses is that they are short courses. For example, section 1 is just 3 minutes, just 11 minutes. Section 2, 22 minutes. This is 17, 36, 18, and 1 minute. So these are short courses you could take under a day, and you can also download them to your PC or computer. If you want to learn how to download these courses to your PC right away, let me know in the comment section and I will show you how to do that. So I come back to my Telegram. This is Google Ads 2024. So this is current. Only 300 and something have seen this. So I believe this is available. If you want digital marketing automation, Figma design course, your website from start to finish. So there are so many courses you can get here for free. If you want to learn about Instagram marketing, you come here. Generate coupon. Says please wait. Okay. Get course. Get link. And here I'm going to click on this X. and you can see the course is available. So I say enroll, and I also click enroll. So there's some courses that have high demand or high value. You have to pay for such courses, or you wait another day until they will be posted on the Telegram group. Now there is another one which is Udemy free Coursevania. Just today alone they have posted 44 courses. So let me go to the last. So this is the last post: account-based marketing, Figma design course, Google Ads, digital marketing. So I need to scroll and master cybersecurity from beginning to real world hack. Let's see if we can get this. It says free for limited enroll. Let's try this. It takes us to Coursevania website. Now here, this site looks like Udemy, but what we're going to do here is to come here and click on get Udemy course. Now it says buy, so it's not available. Actually, this is the same course that we've seen before. So I still go up to find other courses. Now sometimes they can decide to repost a course that they posted before, and by doing so you will not have a free access to the course because the number of enrollments might have been complete. Now one thing about courses is that they take you straight to learning how to do things. You don't have to figure out anything by yourself, and thereby making your learning curve very short. So last one, this is free, and 2,300 and something persons have seen this. So I believe this is no longer available. So let's try that. So I said get on Udemy, and as you can see it says buy. The number of free enrollment has exhausted. So this is how to get free courses, as many as you want. If I go to my learning and look at all my courses, there are 117 courses altogether. So when am I going to finish learning all this? I don't need to learn everything. Let me show you. For example, if I go to this one, and when the course opens, I have to go to the content, then I have to scan through the content and go for the ones that I don't know and leave the ones I know. So that is how to easily go through the courses without watching all the videos. Alright, so this is where I will end this video. I will see you on the next one.